Hi, this is the Bipolar Support Group workshop. This is an anti-smoking campaign, and it's by Brandy McManus. Okay, we're going to talk about tobacco. Prenatal tobacco exposure may be one suspected cause of bipolar disorder. And that is from Talati and others from 2013. Here we see a picture of a pregnant woman who is smoking, and that is very bad for the baby. Okay, we're going to move on to the next slide. Maternal smoking. Smoking during pregnancy was associated with a 1.41-fold increased risk of BPD, or bipolar disorder. That is from Chudal and others from 2015. And in our picture, we have a normal brain pictured and also one with bipolar disorder. See the difference in these brain scans. There's a significant difference there. Okay, brain development. We speculate that prenatal exposure to maternal cigarette smoking disrupts the early programming of callosal structure and increases the relative portion of small diameter fibers. That is from Bjornholm and others from a study done in 2020. In this picture, we have the cerebral cortex, cerebral hemispheres, the two different sides, and both have the corpus callosum, which we see. That is what is changing. The study talks about callosal structure. That's referring to the corpus callosum. These parts in the two pictures here are changed from prenatal exposure to maternal cigarette smoking. Okay, we're talking about behavior now. Prenatal exposure to maternal cigarette smoking, or PEMCS, is associated with variations in brain and behavior in adolescents. And that's from Toledo, Rodriguez, and others from 2010. Oh, sorry. Here we see in this picture sad and happy faces, meaning changes in mood. On our next slide, we have a call to action. If you are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, please do not smoke. Prenatal tobacco exposure is associated with a higher risk of bipolar disorder in offspring. Our website is bipolarsupportgroup.org, and this picture shows that you can quit smoking. Like it shows, please put out the cigarettes. And lastly, we have a works cited. The studies are from Bjornholm and others from 2020, and it's called Prenatal Exposure to Maternal Cigarette Smoking and Structural Properties of the Human Corpus Callosum. That's from Neuroimage. And here's the website. The other one referenced is from Chudal and others. That's from 2015. That study is maternal smoking during pregnancy associated with bipolar disorder in offspring? That is from the Journal of Affective Disorders and the website below. Our third study referenced is Talati and others. That is from 2013. It's titled Maternal Smoking During Pregnancy and Bipolar Disorder in Offspring. That's from the American Journal of Psychiatry. And there is the link. And then the last one is from Toledo Rodriguez and others. That is from 2010. And its title is Maternal Smoking During Pregnancy is Associated with Epigenetic Modifications of the Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor 6 exon in Adolescent Offspring. That is from the American Journal of Medicine, Genetics, Part B. And there is the reference. And very quickly, we will go back through the slides one last time as a refresher. And that's it for the workshop. Thank you for being here today.